Alright, what's up YouTube? I'm here with another video. It's been like 4 months since I did a video. We about to do this sneezing on people prank, you know, with this water bottle right here. Got my boy DJ behind the camera. Go ahead and show yourself, nigga. Fat ass nigga, big head. Yeah, so this channel gonna be in the link down below. You know, let's get ready.
Alright, what's up? It's your boy DJ, bro. Yeah, it's been like 4 months since I did.
I don't give a fuck, Keisha.
Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me. Can you slime on now?
Excuse me?
Do you know where the corn on the cob?
It would be that way near the front.
Okay.
But on the back side of where all the vegetables are.
Okay.
The fresh vegetables.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Shut up. Excuse me. Are you little kids?
I don't work here.
So you don't.
Why would you why would you know that?
Shit, what is that?
Excuse me, sir.
Nope.
Excuse me. Where's the measures?
I don't work here.
Don't. I'm trying to. No, it's like I'm looking for my kid. She's like this high.
You said a plunger.
Yeah. Like for toilets.
Probably back there with all the septic stuff.
All right. Excuse me. Excuse me. No, I'm trying to. Do you want to get naked?
No, bro.
No, I said, where's the bacon?
Where's the bacon?
Yeah, where's the bacon? The bacon?
Probably like straight in front of us.
All right.
Film?
No,
I can see it.
you can't wear. He can see it. My trees. My trees. He can see it. He can see it.
Excuse me. You know where the hell's at?
The what?
The bowls.
The bowls?
Yeah, the bowls. The Tupperware bowls.
I have no idea. I haven't been in the store for so long. I have no idea.
Thank you. Excuse me. Excuse me. Why are you so fake?
What?
Do you know where the steak, like the pack of steaks?
I don't work here. What are you asking me for?
I was just asking.
Okay, I have no idea, sir.
All right.
I have no idea.
You could.
Come out, you are. Oh!
Have you ever heard of that COVID shit, bro?
I heard it for real.
For real, that shit crazy.
Yeah.
So, nigga, what toys you getting your brother?
You like Spider-Man for real?
I'm finna be in the sidewalk.
All
I'm
right.
supposed to be outside, nigga. I'm supposed to be in the house.
Yeah.
That's what kind of cold and shit. Coming on.
For real? Yeah, he like cars, but I don't know.
Is it just me or is it every time I spray this, she not giving me no reaction? Like she got moving.
I don't know.
I don't know. She
Daddy, fuck me up the ass, yeah.